What it do, Band Runner Squad? What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shonda, and I'm back with another freaking video, you guys. As you can tell by the title, you guys, I am doing a part 2, you guys, to going on Monkey app, calling people broke, looking a hot mess, okay? But if you're new to the channel, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you'll be notified every time we post a freaking video, you guys. And I want to welcome all new subscribers to the channel, you guys. I hope y'all keep you guys entertained. We're on the road to 25K, you guys. So tell a friend to go on and hit that subscribe button. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, you guys. I can't keep getting cussed out for y'all, you know what I'm saying? The things I do for y'all, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your girl. Also, you guys, if you're not following us on TikTok, go ahead and head over to TikTok. The name is BANDRUNNERZC 2020. Now, I am temporarily suspended for no reason, but hey, I will be back August the 7th. So go ahead and hit that follow button for your girl. But let's go ahead and we ain't gonna do too much talking, you guys. Let's go ahead and hop into the freaking video. Y'all already know it's about to be a what? Another banger. Also, you guys, if y'all want to know what lashes I be wearing in these videos, I be wearing lashes by Mary Cosmetics, you guys. So y'all make sure y'all go check out Mary Cosmetics on Instagram. It's Mary Cosmetic _MC, okay? This is her lashes, you guys. So y'all make sure y'all check her out. When I say popping, I mean popping, you guys. So y'all make sure y'all go check out Mary. But let's go hop into the video, you guys. Let's hop into the video. You know, I'm excited. Y'all excited, so let's do the thing. What your broke ass doing?
Oh, she's doing some TikTok. Oh, yeah.
What y'all doing?
Getting my nails done.
Period. It's gonna be popping, baby. That's what I'm talking about. They know who I am. I just keep going. What your broke ass doing?
You need a bracelet.
I need a what?
A bracelet.
A bracelet.
Braces.
Braces? Who you talking to like that? I don't need braces. I'm proud of my teeth. I just ain't need a bracelet. I don't need to wear no jewelry. What your broke ass doing?
What the fuck happened to you? Shot that lolly, bro. I'm almost like a
huh?
Oh,
I got a little razzle dazzle.
Lord have mercy.
What?
So, you got them shredder teeth.
Oh, you funny. What?
What?
You think you're funny, huh? Little razzle dazzle. What your broke ass doing? I said, what your broke ass doing?
Shut up, ho. Shut up, ho.
Who?
Hey,
Who? I know you did. Look like a baby hyena. Do what? What, you at the trap house? I got a little razzle dazzle.
Somebody come with a pen.
Do what?
What happened to your teeth?
I don't know. I don't trip about. Do what?
The teeth be stuck in a lollipop. You biting that bitch?
Yeah?
Sucking it.
Why? What's up?
God, yeah, your teeth out like this. Those shit sharp as a bitch.
You funny, huh? Over at the trap house.
Man, stop the fuck up.
You at the trap house and yeah. I'm gonna beat your ass next. I'm gonna beat your ass next. I'm gonna beat your ass next. Oh yeah. I'm gonna beat your ass next. Uh-huh. Yeah, whatever. How can you keep going, y'all? You gonna get in my ass.
Hello?
Hey, what your broke ass doing? What your broke ass doing?
What you doing with that lollipop, though?
Uh,
You sucking on that lollipop for? That shit don't fuck with you.
what you mean?
That lollipop do not fuck with your ass. Hey, look. Yo. Okay, but what the fuck?
He want me. He want me. He want me.
You want the kid?
He want
You want the
me.
kid? Who blacked your eye, though? Why you keep letting them folks beat on you?
I don't even be tripping. I really won. It just looked bad, but I really won.
You think so?
I know so. I had a little razzle dazzle. Nothing major.
A little razzle, motherfucker?
That's it. Little razzle dazzle.
You just love Under Armour?
Huh?
You love Under Armour?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's it.
Yeah, I dig it, though. I
Yeah.
dig it, though.
Yeah. You want me too, don't you?
I'm straight on all that.
You sure?
He might fuck with you, though.
I know he want me.
Yeah, he fucking with it. Huh?
I know most definitely he want me. He gonna try to hit me up after this. Don't be in my inbox.
Right, he said you tell my son.
Don't be in my inbox. What your broke ass doing?
Hold on. What your broke ass doing?
What your broke ass doing?
I watch on YouTube, bro.
Appreciate you, thank you.
Hey, bro, I watch on YouTube, bro. Hold on, bro. I gotta get a picture, bro. Hold on.
Hold on.
Alright, hold on. Now, what your broke ass doing?
What your broke ass doing? You know what I'm saying? Just had a little fight, a little razzle dazzle, nothing major.
You recording a video?
Yeah, I'm doing a video right now.
Oh hell yeah, I gotta be on here. Now what your broke ass doing?
I'm doing nothing, man. Just chilling in the cut.
Bro, sorry, bro, but I see how people be like getting on you, bro. Like it's just funny, bro. It's just funny just looking at the TV, bro. I'm sorry, I was fan, but it's just funny, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
You for real?
Huh?
You can't take me serious?
No, I can't, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
Why you can't take me? Listen, I'm trying to do my video. Listen, hold on. Let me put my teeth back in. Okay. Bye. I gotta finish my video.
I'm not broke though, bro. I'm not broke.
Man, I ain't saying nothing, man. I ain't saying nothing. But y'all, he said he ain't broke. Okay, y'all heard him.
I'm gonna get them teeth. I'm gonna be like, what your broke ass doing?
You need to.
Yeah, what your broke ass doing?
Bye, I gotta finish my video.
Alright.
Bye.
What's up?
What's up? What your broke ass doing?
Huh?
I said, what your broke ass doing?
I'm not broke.
Who?
I'm not broke. You call me broke.
Who said that?
You used to call me broke.
I ain't said no shit like that.
Oh, what you saying?
I said, what your broke ass doing?
Oh, what are you doing?
Nothing, talking to you.
Pop a titty.
I ain't got none.
You don't got none?
Mm-mm.
I got more than you, look.
You do got more than me. You need to put a smiley face on it.
I really do.
Yeah, go and put a smiley face. Make a smiley face.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me look for a marker. You got a marker? Get a marker.
Yeah, go ahead and make a smiley face.
Give me a marker.
You better make the best smiley face ever.
How do you want me to make a smiley face?
I don't make it I don't know. You show me. You the one, the artist.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you the artist. Yes. Yeah, okay. You better work it.
Yeah.
You better work it.
Huh?
I ain't said nothing. I said you better work it.
Say nothing.
I ain't said nothing.
So did you get in a fight? What happened in your eye?
I had a little razzle dazzle.
What happened in your eye?
She hit me one time. That's the only lick she got.
How much you hit her?
Boy, you don't want to know.
You beat her up?
I beat her ass.
That's nice. Why'd you guys fight?
Oh, long story, man. Long story.
Long story. Was it a random person, close friend?
No, actually, it was my cousin.
Why'd you fight your cousin?
She started with me, man.
Why the fuck would you fight your cousin?
Her name Latrice. I whooped her ass.
Why'd you fight your cousin?
She started with me.
Why'd she want to fight you?
I mean, I ain't gonna get into details, man.
You got with their boyfriend?
Huh?
You got with their boyfriend?
No. Ain't with anybody, man. What anybody, man? What your broke ass doing?
Who bit you in your face?
I had a fight with this girl.
Why?
I caught her in the house with my man.
Why?
I don't know, man. I don't even know. I've been with this dude for 11 years. And I don't know. I was just trying to protect what's mine. Obviously, it wasn't mine. It was hers. Ain't no telling how long it's been going on. I don't
So
tell him.
what? You don't have to like do this.
Huh?
He beat you in your face.
Nah, he didn't hit me. Me and our girl had a fight. She popped me one good time. He was trying to hold me back, and then she swung and hit me.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
You have to be careful, you know?
Yeah, I know. I know. Gotta tell one like it. You tell one like I keep telling them. You tell one like I keep telling y'all. What your broke ass doing?
I seen you on TikTok.
You seen me on TikTok?
Oh, yeah, I seen you on TikTok.
Me?
Yeah.
It was me.
Yeah, you be on TikTok. I saw your page.
Well, thank you. You got
No
me.
fucking way.
You got me. I've been caught. Oh my God. Oh my God. What I need to do?
Bro, that's crazy. Is this a video right now?
I'm doing a video right now.
She's funny.
What's up? What your broke ass doing?
Oh.
Huh? What y'all got going on?
I'm sorry, but you know you're on YouTube.
Nah, I'm trying to ask you what you doing. What's up?
You have your nigga. What happened? What the fuck?
I had a little fight, something slight, but I won.
A fight? Take them girls out your mouth.
Take what? Huh? Why he peeking? I see you peeking. I'm peeking. Who that peeking? Who that peeking at me?
I said they gonna let little fat.
Who that peeking at me? But get what he talking about. What your broke ass doing?
Huh?
I said, what your broke ass doing?
I ain't doing shit. I'm sitting outside.
What, you in the garage?
Yeah, I'm in the garage.
Oh, I'm gonna say, what kind of outside it look? You? Cause my outside look damn. He ain't been talking to him. What you doing with your broke ass? Do it? Do it? Oh, thank you. I like your hair. Yeah, your hair is pretty.
I mean, I've seen you on TikTok.
Yeah, you right.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, girl. Bye. What's up?
What are you doing?
Nah, what's your broke ass doing? Huh? I don't know. He said, what you doing? Oh. Listen here, you guys. I hate to leave this video at a short notice, but my phone would not hold any more screen records. It says that my storage is full. Oh my gosh. I need a new phone, you guys. Y'all help me get a new phone. Like, I need a new phone, like, for real. But you guys, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you leave a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below your favorite part of the video, okay? And also put in the comments more videos you would like to see from me. Alright? It is Bandrunner Squad all day, every day. And I'm in and now out. Peace out, squad.